welcome to Life in Pig Row, and we're in the greenhouse today because it's a bit cold out there and it keeps raining. So today we're sowing Foxgloves or Digitalis. We're sowing Pam's Choice and we're sowing Strawberry Foxglove, and it's the ideal time of year to sow biannuals. So here we have a half seed tray. It's about half full. It's full of a general peat-free multi-purpose and a seed compost just to open it up a little bit. So this is Digitalis seed, Foxglove seed. You can see how incredibly fine it is. So easy to lose, and remember we talked in the past about seed being 2.5 times its depth, so it doesn't really need to be planted particularly deep. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So it's just a matter of taking the seed and thinly sprinkling it over the surface. As this is quite old seed, I'm being quite generous, just so I get rid of it. And then it's just a matter of covering. You can cover, if you wanted to, with a bit of vermiculite. What we use is just a light dusting of seed compost. And then we take another seed tray that we're going to use afterwards and just firm it down, and that's it. And then we can water it safely and label it. So that's basically how you plant foxgloves if you want to start them off in the greenhouse. If you wanted to, you can start them off in a seed bed or even in the border that they're going into. They'll take their chances. You know, at this time of year they will grow. So it's important now that I label them, water them as usual. So don't forget your labels, because we've seen loads of things on Facebook with people saying, can anyone identify this plant? So labeling is important. So until next time, bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us and we're really grateful for it. Bye bye. In addition to the film, someone's just asked us on social media about foxgloves. Foxgloves are indeed poisonous, so please be careful of them. If you've got small children who eat things from your garden, not a good plant for you, but beautiful all the same. So be aware, Digitalis is poisonous and it does in fact stop the heart. And in fact it was used in the Second World War as a medicine for the heart. Okay, so until next time, bye bye.